Whooping cough, or pertussis, can be more than just a bad cough. It often starts with mild cold-like symptoms, runny nose, sneezing, maybe a slight fever. But then, it hits you with intense coughing fits that leave you gasping for air. You might hear that distinctive whoop sound when you try to breathe in. It's not just annoying, it can be dangerous, especially for infants and those with weakened immune systems. If you notice a persistent cough lasting more than a week, or if you are coughing so hard that you're vomiting or struggling to catch your breath, don't brush it off. Seek medical attention. Early diagnosis can make all the difference in managing this highly contagious disease. Stay informed, stay safe.